So hello, my name is Justin, and today I'm going to be unboxing my down adventure coat. I've had the original adventure coat for a long time. Absolutely love this jacket. I've worn it in several continents, in Africa, Europe, North America, and Asia, and it's been my go-to coat, and I just absolutely love it, especially for its pockets, and that's just who I am. I love putting things in my pockets to always be prepared. So when I saw there's a new down adventure coat, I said, ooh, I gotta check that out. Because especially in winter sports and things when I'm skiing, this just didn't fit the way I wanted to with things in my pockets. I'd wear it with layers, but I want to have just a little extra protection for those super, super cold days. So let's open this thing up and see what it looks like. It also came with some thermal socks, and I'll look at those in a different moment. Oh yeah, Apricoat down jacket, blue, man. Ooh, I love it. The color is fantastic. It's got this sack that comes in with the orange, this is green, with a green cord. Fantastic. This is a great way to transport it too. I can see myself throwing this whole bag in my luggage. It's smaller than a sleeping bag, but it's a complete winter jacket. Oh, this is exciting. This is so cool. So I love it. It's got this reflective strip on the edge when I go out in the night, in the evening, walking my dog. It's got the same kinds of sleeves, my thumb, that my adventure coat has. The down jacket. Ooh, and the metallic lining. This is going to keep me warm, I can tell. Probably too warm for right now. And it fits amazing. Love it. Love the pockets, and that's the primary reason I got this jacket, because I have pockets everywhere and I can be ready to go at a moment's notice. So I look forward to exploring the world with this jacket and let you know soon how it tries out in real world field testing. So thanks for watching this. You can get yours online. Just follow the links in the description and you too can have an amazing adventure down jacket. Thanks for watching.